guys, we got a Davidson.
Urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where a portion of central North Carolina, including the following counties: Anson, Davidson, Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley. When? Until 8:30 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in the low-lying and poor drainage areas and ponding of water in urban or other areas is likely. Additional details: at 7:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This may cause urban and small stream flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include High Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Rockingham, Waynesboro, Randolph, Troy, Baton Lake, North Carolina Zoo, Thomasville,
Yeah, the power's out for me.
Hamlet, Eastgale,
So the charger isn't working on my weather radio, so it just does
Turn
nothing.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Slow down and use caution to avoid hydroplaning. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 99, effective until midnight Wednesday.
See if I turn my
This watch
flash
includes
off.
the following county: Columbus, North Carolina. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert
Who's
for
that
rapidly
guy?
changing weather conditions
It
and
also
listen for
went
later
off.
statements and possible warnings.
No one turned it
Stay
off.
tuned to the weather radio,
I had to
commercial
turn it off
radio,
and
and
never
television
came back.
outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
So yeah, guys, got a flood advisory for Davidson. I forgot my old voice.
Mostly cloudy.
So
Thunderstorms and
ain't that great. So yeah, bye.